There, now it's going to record it. I only have 10 minutes of that.
Are you happy? Oh, wait till he comes. Is that cool?
I liked one they had.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
They were like the UFO one. Really?
Bob's awake.
Now.
Recording.
I only have 10 minutes on that thing.
I know.
10 minutes.
It's only at 49 seconds to 50.
Then I'll be
They take a long time.
Oh well.
Why they didn't tie all of them together?
Because they don't.
After boom.
Pink one? Do you think we should see some pink one?
Awesome.
I like that one too.
Whoa, wow. Awesome.
Oh, I like
That
that.
is. Whoa. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, hey.
Why didn't
Yeah.
they?
Oh, I hate these ones.
That could make
That one probably won't come fall.
We hope.
Yeah.
Oh, not another one.
Boom.
Oh.
Ooh, that one is like flying.
But the bulb's right now.
Are you sure?
Probably wouldn't hear that in the house.
That was a big sickle one.
The kids watching.
There's my favorite ones right there.
Yeah.
These are prey lights.
Oh, I hate those ones that light up the sky.
Yeah.
That was a big
Same
one.
to me, bro.
These are better than Moose does.
Yeah. What ones this year? They had none.
That one was like 2
Clay, do you think this one will be
You got yours recording too?
Yeah.
I bet it's gonna be blue.
Oh.
Remember Musha had a Canadian flag one?
Yeah.
That one was awesome. Yeah.
It's when we had that drinking rich man or whatever.
Yeah.
Paid for that.
Yeah, he paid for it. Kind of package.
It was like
They brought in that American guy to do it. Oh.
that one's my favorite.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Musha wouldn't be done now.
No, they would be gone like when they did 5.
Musha sets them all off.
They would be done this like
You actually
already.
see that thing?
What's that? Two colors,
Yeah.
white and red.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Canada's color.
Yeah.
So why are the colors Christmas colors?
I don't know.
There we are.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Oh.
Christmas colors.
There's my favorite one.
Yeah.
That
Listen to this sizzle.
cool, man.
It's like hot dog spray.
Awesome. If there's another one. That one was awesome.
Oh,
Blue
yeah.
and
Oh, that was
pink.
smoke the tree.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was it. Oh, I like these.
somebody that's
Down the.
Loose back there.
Oh, that one's nice. Are they watching it?
Hmm?
That's like shine.
Yeah.
Watch it, Justin.
That's fairy dust.
Look at the That one was awesome.
That one would have lit up the fucking trees.
Them just
Wow. They're doing a good job this year.
that was a circle. Nothing there. That was awesome, man. Let's see if no planes are coming
Those are awesome to set off at leash. Oh shit.
Oh, those are the best. So fun. I know, but those are the best. Woo! That's good.
That was awesome. Two colors. My
That's neat.
bye-bye trees.
The wind pushed down.
There's only
I
a
know.
minute left.
Oh, just
He didn't miss out. He gets to
I know we don't. I'm not sharing. We just snoozed.
He is losing and losing.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Oh, this one's gonna be a loud one.
It's like street lights. I think it's the last row
I don't know.
on my count.
There's only 20 seconds left already.
Two colors.
Huh? You're not gonna get it all. Oh, that one was nice.
That one was the lightest one. Yellow.
I just think this is kind of the fireworks show you get here every year.